Look at this little freaking go-kart, dude.
Yup. Woo! We just made it to Garage 43. Ooh, hoo-hoo!
This is still GTR. Oh my god, look at this.
Here's the Pikachu car. What's your plan, sir?
I don't know yet, actually.
Your car's just Pikachu in? Like a...
Yeah, it'll be pointed.
Point the nose? Point the nose this way. Okay. And then your car right in the middle? Yeah, right nose, like right here. Okay.
Baby! Kid in the candy shop. You look excited.
That's literally what I want to be driving out of my garage. Sorry, man.
I thought you're boss, son.
He is the boss.
You know who the boss is.
Don't find me. Please don't find me.
All right, this is a pretty good layout. We're just missing one.
Well, I just gotta figure out where to put that one to make it look.
Bitchin'.
Performantes? Yeah.
You said that's another prop?
You can fit in the bench door through. Very carefully.
This wide ass.
Super wide. I don't
Yeah, no, that's super.
Look at how wide this bitch is.
Yeah, I saw that. It almost looked like it was like glow in the dark. But I was like,
Yeah.
He's trying to try. And then, right down here.
Nice. Nice. John's car. John's car. John's car. What are you doing here? Yeah, I can see that.
I'm just getting regular shots of each car, just so I have a bunch to play with, and then
obviously a bunch of. We're gonna go find photo spots and then do photo rollers, and then find the video spot and then do video rollers.
And then nighttime. Pick that up.
Why would I?
Yeah, it weighs nothing.
I want to put it in the video. I want to have him walk by it. Bro. What?
Isn't that sick?
Oh shit, sorry.
I'll surprise him. So you want to get
Why
this
was I
video?
checking? I was just checking for heat. I literally just went, I was like seeing how hot it was.
I saw that. I thought you were just touching.
No, I was checking for heat.
That was it.
It's pretty hot. I did a shot with Garage 43 in the back and then that thing. And then I did a shot with him coming out of the door, walking behind the first Performante. And then a few different angles of him open the door, a few different angles of like lights turning on the car, so like tail lights through the perf and the Pikachu. And then as he pulls out, it just goes a peak drop and then rollers.
Perfect.
They look like spaceships.
Yeah, they just get time.
Those are like,
He wants to do it, he can't do it, you know. He let me talk to Nick. You go ahead and just walk by. Perfect. Close the door. And you're gonna open it and then walk. Not yet, though. Not yet. Go back. Oh shit! I know.
Too fast.
Oh, we're cutting, bro. Okay, now come back. Go for it. Perfect. Okay, so you're gonna hop in, pull the door down, and then just look up at the camera. Okay. With those baller glasses.
yeah.
Okay, go for it. Go. Okay, go. This Performante is like perfectly built for like exactly how I want it. Like I can't stop looking at it. Like we've been in this garage, they're all outside shooting that, and this is just what I want in my garage in like 3 years. And I can't even talk, dude. I know for a fact the day that if I get one and I see it sitting in my garage, I'm just gonna cry my heart out. This is just, it's perfect. The only thing I would change is I would make these just a little bit more yellow so they're more like the brakes on my Subaru. But that's literally the only thing I would change. I would just change the hue of those just a little bit. And these, I think there's only 3 sets of these in the world. This is the actual wing that comes stock on the Performante, and this is the clip-on each side, and I just think that's the best looking wing I've ever seen on a Huracan. Built off the OEM wing, and it's the best looking wing I've ever seen. That's just 2 pluses. Just look at this little freaking go-kart, dude. Hopefully this whole YouTube thing gets me there. And I can't even talk. Like, I'm actually, this car like makes me slightly emotional. I feel like I'm lost. I'm literally lost for words. Like I'm just gonna shut up.
Just enjoy.
Good call, Sam.
What you looking at?
Oh, you know, just checking out the competition. You know, my GTR, this GTR. You know,
Where?
that one right there.
Yeah, I think you got him beat, honestly.
I mean, it's a sleeper. It's a sleeper.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow. Damn. Time to do some rollers, eh?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try.
You just set off an alarm.
Alright, so we are now taking some rollers on this glorious road. There's Mr. Woyshnis. And then John is over here.
So we were doing photo rollers on that road up there, and Big Boss Steven was like, hey, we got some photo spots over here. So we posted up the Aventador. Sunset's going down. This looks beautiful.
Yep, we're gonna do a lap of video rollers and then come back here and try to finish everything else here.
Nice. Do some flames.
Can't even keep up.
Oh, damn!
Dude, they're like sick as
The sun's going down. Almost time to do some flame shots. Is it flame time? Yeah.
Same time.
Yeah. All right, let's get it.
Was this Corsa? This is Corsa. We try sport too, okay? 'Cause I've done it where they're like freaking 6-footers and stuff like that. Oh yeah, try it. Okay. Try it. Round 2.
Bro, it. Oh!
Oh shit! You gotta be kidding me. Yes! Oh shit!
Kind of wish I left it the other
You
exposure.
cannot. Oh, what the hell, dude? No way! You're like, how many takes was that?
1.
Hey, and proof.
Yeah, we have proof. 1 take.
What the hell, dude?
Quiet. Loud. All right, we're out of here. Yeah, of course. Micing up the car.
Nice. Well, you got center exit, so it don't even matter. Alright, let's try this.
Yeah. See.
Alright.
New video sometime?
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Next trip. Have fun, guys.
Let's go, sir.
All right.
This guy's turn. Bye-bye.